In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Microsoft Teams from frequently restarting on Windows 11. This video also covers how to delete WebView2 from Windows. I tried many methods to fix the Microsoft Teams restarting issue, but finally I was able to solve it by deleting and reinstalling WebView2. This trick worked for me. If it doesn't fix the problem for you, the cause may be different and you might need to try another solution. Okay, let's begin. Unless you are facing a serious issue like mine, I would not recommend deleting WebView2 because many programs may not work correctly without it. Before we move to the main topic, it's better to understand what WebView2 actually is. WebView2, Microsoft Edge WebView2, is a technology from Microsoft that allows developers to embed a full web browser inside desktop applications. In simple terms, it allows Windows apps to display and interact with web content, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript using the Microsoft Edge Chromium engine. Now, let's begin without wasting time. If this video helps you, please don't forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. First, go to the taskbar and open Task Manager. At the top of the Processes tab, you will see the Search section. To check which programs are using WebView2, simply type WebV here. Now you can see the list of all programs using web technology. Next, we need to go to the Program Files x86 folder. First, open this PC, then double-click on Local Disk C, then open Program Files x86, then go to the Microsoft folder, and finally you will see the WebView folder. I also tried uninstalling Edge WebView using the CMD approach, but it failed. I'm not sure why that happened. Anyway, now keep both Task Manager and this folder open side by side. Start ending the active processes that are using WebView2. Most of them will close immediately, but the search process restarts instantly. So keep this folder ready to delete. As soon as you end the search process, quickly delete the folder. Now you can see that it has started deleting. Great. Next, go to the directory where the downloaded WebView2 Runtime installer is located and start installing it. Don't forget to run it as an administrator. Now let's install it. Wait a few seconds and the installation will begin. And that's it. Now start Microsoft Teams again and you should see that it works properly. I have attached the download link in the comments section. You can easily download it. Make sure to choose the Evergreen standalone installer according to your system specification. My system is 64-bit, so I downloaded the 64-bit version. Okay guys, if your problem is solved, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next problem-solving video.